At Proximus, we believe that reusability is a mindset, and it's a mindset that needs to be used by the whole team. With our growth track that we put in place and our focus on reusability and incorporating a design system in Mendix, we see a huge progress here, and now we see that reusability is one of the standards that the Proximus Mendix teams are developing around. For us as a company, we have everything now running on one stack. It's much more easy to control, and of course we have the economies of scale. We can reuse components we built for one project in another project, which leads of course to cost reduction. So of course Proximus Plus is a very complex application, and there governance needs to play a role. On one way, we're seeing governance by what we call our list of non-negotiables. We have quality standards both on UX, experience-wise, and development. This is, for example, the load time. If a certain load time of a functionality exceeds, let's say, 3 seconds, we're not going to bring this to market. On the other hand, there is of course CI/CD and automated governance coming from the platform, and there we're in close collaboration with Mendix to make sure that we follow best practices and we have the right tools embedded in our stack. Like in every technological evolution, change is difficult, not only for management, but especially for the people who really need to make the change. And there we put in some good tactics like open communication. We foresaw a center of excellence which had leading Mendix experts who could help and support all of our developers. We had communities of practices where we shared best practices amongst each other, and of course we had Mendix support to help us along the way. Next to that we have of course a buddy system where a new developer gets an internal, more senior buddy who can teach him a thing or two.
Mendix is quite easy to use, or at least the basic prototyping to have rapid development that could be achieved by so much more people, and you don't need to be an expert to do that. So the way of enabling it in our company would be to divulge the software, have more trainings, involve more people, and definitely invest in our center of expertise in Mendix so that whenever we need to industrialize a solution, we have the right competences inside to make it happen.
We of course organize the Proximus Plus Day company-wide, where we show what is on the roadmap, what has been delivered, what do customers say, and we also invite external speakers. Last year we had the pleasure to invite Hans Visser from Mendix, and it was very interesting for everybody to get in touch with low-code and of course understand the vision about Mendix. And I truly believe we can basically build whatever we want with the right focus at Proximus. And that's something that doesn't come overnight.